In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the chart background on dYdX. To begin, navigate to the dYdX trading interface and open the market you want to view. Once the TradingView chart is displayed, locate the chart settings icon near the top of the chart. This icon is usually represented by a gear symbol. Click the settings icon to open the chart settings window. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several categories that control the appearance and behavior of the chart. Select the Appearance tab. This section contains the options for customizing the visual style of your chart. Here, you can change the background color, adjust the grid lines, modify text colors, and update other display elements to suit your preferences. Locate the background setting and choose the color you want to use. Depending on the available options, you may be able to select from preset colors or choose a custom color. As you make changes, you'll see the chart preview update immediately, so you can review the new appearance before saving it. Once you're satisfied with the new background and appearance settings, apply or save your changes. The chart will immediately display your updated color scheme, and you can continue analyzing the market using your customized layout. If you ever decide to switch back to the original appearance, simply reopen the chart settings and either choose a different background color or reset the appearance settings to their defaults, depending on the options available in your version of TradingView. And that's how to change the chart background on dYdX.